Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Myra from Low Carb Love, and today we're going to be making a delicious chicken salad. Now, I've shown you my mom's version, which is a super simple savory version. This one here is a sweet version. And this recipe was made by Nia from Kimchi and Collard's mother. And it was a super popular recipe on Instagram. And of course, I wanted to share it with you guys because I want you guys to experience this and have different options when living a low carb lifestyle. So let's go over the ingredients. We're gonna start off with one chicken. So this is basically one chicken shredded. You can also use thighs, you can use breast, or you can even use a rotisserie chicken. We're gonna do 3/4 cup of mayo. This is a whole jar of pickles. So this is like the salty dill pickles, and you just finely chop it. We have a 1/4 cup of sweetener, 3 hard-boiled eggs, a 1/4 cup of celery seed, 1/2 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar or white wine vinegar, a tablespoon of mustard. So we're gonna start off by mixing our wet ingredients. So we have our mayo, wet and dry. We have our sweetener, and if you, if you don't like a super sweet salad, then you can just kind of adjust that. Maybe start with 1/2 and then go from there. We have our mustard. We're going to add our celery seed. And celery seed is a must, like you need to find it. I think I bought mine at Whole Foods. Vinegar, because that's kind of like a crucial ingredient for the salad. And once you try it, you'll know. You can definitely taste it, and without it, it's just not the same. Thank you, Nia. Thank you. Thank your mom for us, because this is a delicious recipe. Okay guys, so I wanted to go over, our salad here. I've completely mixed everything together. I just want to remind you, this recipe is intended for 3 cups of chicken. I had double that amount. So if you're making this recipe, obviously all the ingredients are made for 3 cups of chicken. I just want to be completely clear so that you guys don't make like a huge batch like me and only use the 3/4 cup of mayo and so on and so forth. The other thing is, obviously this recipe is made with pickles. Instead of adding the broth, add the pickle juice. It's like a game changer. You need it in your life. I'm gonna actually add extra pickle juice. So I'm just gonna add some here. And it's basically just to taste. I mean, at the end of the day, I've heard people like add the entire jar over time because like the chicken salad does dry up. Like tomorrow, it'll be a little bit more dry. So we're gonna do that. We're also going to add salt. So you can add for the 3 cups, I would just add maybe about a quarter teaspoon of salt. I'm almost out here, but we're gonna do our salt, pepper. This is like to taste, right? So if you love salt, then you just add the amount of salt that you typically like. We're gonna mix it. So anyway, but I just wanted to make sure that you guys were aware that I am using double the amount of chicken, because I don't want you guys to, you know, to make a salad that is a little too dry. So all in all, it's delicious. Let's go ahead and do the taste test so that you guys can see it for yourself. Okay guys, so I ended up making a little cheese shell in the microwave, a little piece of parchment paper. So now let's go ahead and serve our chicken salad. And you can use so many different things. You can use my almond bun. Instagram so that I can share your recreations with everyone else. Guys, I'm gonna link the almond buns down below, probably my crackers, and just other recipes that you can eat this chicken salad with, okay? And other than that, again, thank you for joining me, and I will see you on my next video. I love you guys. Mwah.